For weeks, astronomers have been watching 3I/Atlas with growing unease, a celestial body that has captivated scientific attention. First came the signals, perfectly timed bursts repeating every 61 minutes, an unusual pattern that defied natural explanation. Then came the silence, followed by internet slowdowns, communication blackouts, and unexplained data corruption across multiple industries, hinting at a profound global impact. Now, something even stranger has been discovered, a second object, smaller, faster, and on an intercept course with 3I/Atlas, raising new questions about its origin and purpose. Astronomers first noticed this anomaly during a spectral scan earlier this week, an unexpected signature in the cosmic data. At first, they assumed it was just another fragment, perhaps debris trailing behind Atlas, a common occurrence in space. But the data told a different story. This second object, designated Atlas, II by some observatories, was traveling at a much higher speed than Atlas itself, indicating a distinct trajectory. Then, it began slowing down. Not randomly, not due to gravity, but at a steady, calculated rate, as though under controlled deceleration, suggesting intelligent control. Trajectory models now show that, if current speeds remain constant, the two objects will intersect just before Atlas passes behind the Sun during perihelion, a critical astronomical event. In other words, whatever this second object is, it's on track to meet 3I/Atlas right before we lose all visual and radio contact, creating a window of profound uncertainty. NASA has not acknowledged the intercept publicly, maintaining a cautious stance on the unfolding events. Their most recent briefing described the new readings as likely noise or observational overlap, downplaying the significance of the findings. But several international teams disagree. The European Southern Observatory, the Indian Space Research Organization, and even amateur astronomers in Australia have verified the trajectory independently, confirming the intercept. They all report the same thing: the approaching object is slowing as it nears Atlas, like two spacecraft preparing for rendezvous, a deliberate and controlled maneuver. Radar cross-section estimates suggest Atlas. II is smaller, maybe 1/5 the size of Atlas, but with a reflective pattern that's unusually uniform, unlike any natural celestial body. It doesn't look like rock, dust, or ice. It looks metallic, suggesting an artificial composition. One researcher described it bluntly: if Atlas is the target, this thing's the delivery system, implying a deliberate mission. There are two possibilities. Either this is a natural cosmic coincidence, two interstellar travelers crossing paths near the Sun, a rare but possible event. Or something out there is meeting something else, a deliberate encounter orchestrated by an unknown intelligence. The timing couldn't be stranger. If the intercept occurs as predicted, it will happen less than 6 hours before Atlas disappears behind the Sun, obscuring our view. And once it does, we'll have no idea what happens next, leaving us in the dark about the outcome of this cosmic encounter. Official agencies are calling it coincidence, adhering to conventional explanations. Independent analysts are calling it choreography, suggesting a deliberate and planned sequence of events. As of this moment, telescopes across 5 continents are trained on that intersection point, waiting to see whether the universe is giving us a demonstration or a warning, a moment of truth for humanity. This is what we weren't told. Stay curious, stay calm, and remember, the closer we get to the Sun, the harder it becomes to see what's really there.